What's up, guys? Mechanics Garage coming at you today. I want to show you something. If you're trying to figure out if you have a bad wheel bearing on your vehicle, this is a Volkswagen CC. So we're going to show you what you want to do is see if you've got any play in the wheel. This is the rear. So you grab it from the upper and bottom, top and bottom, and you move it to see if any play is in there. That's typically how you see if you have a bad hub bearing or wheel bearing. They're basically the same thing. So this one on this vehicle seems to be pretty good. And we're going to check out the driver's side, see how that one looks. All right, guys, here we are on the driver's side. We're going to do the same thing. Grab the top and bottom. I don't know if you can hear that, but this one is wobbling up and down. So the customer said they were hearing some kind of weird noise. I kind of figured it was a bearing, but the two fronts I know are brand new. This is definitely the one. So we're going to price that out for them. But that's something to check into. All right, peace.